Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale immigration law with Boundless, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale immigration law services with Boundless, start by creating an account on their platform. Visit the Boundless website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in the necessary information to set up your account. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Explore the various immigration services that Boundless offers, such as family-based green cards and naturalization. Choose a service that aligns with your business focus. Utilize the software to guide clients through their application processes. Encourage clients to complete their questionnaires, which will gather vital information for their cases. Review the submitted information for accuracy and completeness. Use the built-in templates to draft necessary legal documents. Share these documents with your clients for their review and approval. Incorporate the tracking features to monitor case progress and deadlines. Utilize Boundless resources, like webinars and articles, for ongoing education. Establish communication with clients through the platform for updates and questions. Consider automating reminders for clients about important submissions and appointments. Regularly analyze the metrics provided by Boundless to assess your firm's performance. Adjust your strategies based on the insights gained from these analytics. Continue to stay updated with any new features or improvements released by Boundless. Apply best practices in client management to build long-term relationships. Expand your service offerings on the platform as you gain more experience. Leverage client testimonials to enhance your firm's reputation and attract new clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.